Today, we're cooking like Mother. If you don't know who Mother is, you don't doom scroll enough on TikTok. Okay? This is Cooking with Denise. Here we go. We haven't done one of these in a hot minute. So Mother doesn't use any oil, and she puts a ton of vegetables in the frying pan. She uses a giant knife and cuts each thing as it's going in there, but I'm in the US right now, okay? It's not free to get stitches here, so I decided to use the cutting board. Oh, and the one thing she uses a lot of is garlic, so we got a lot of garlic. I chopped up some butternut squash, and his shit is hard to chop up, okay? And then we also got some sweet potato, some onion, and then we bought this mystery pepper here. I don't know if it's a hot pepper. It's not just a normal red pepper. I cut the lid off and took the seeds out of it. But we're going to put that in there as well. And then, me and my giant knife, we're going to cut the chicken and we're going to add the chicken. Now the only thing she uses for seasoning is turmeric. So we got turmeric. So we're going to throw a bunch of chicken in here. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. We're gonna cook it all. We're cooking it all. So I'm gonna have salad tomorrow, and I need more chicken. Instead of cooking it then, I'll just cook everything now. All right. So there's all of that. And then we put our only seasoning, turmeric. Oh, it's brand new. We gotta figure out how to do this. Oh. Oh shit. There we go. Not my strong point here, trying to dig things out with my nails. We don't want to have an unhappy accident of dumping everything in it. Okay, here we go. Maybe we don't. Nothing's coming out. Okay, we're going to use the big opening. There we go. So no oil, vegetables, some form of meat, and turmeric. Then the only lid I could find that would almost cover this is this, so we're going to put that on there. And then come back in 10 minutes and I'll show you what we got. Oh, and for dessert, we're gonna try dragon fruit for the first time because why not, right? Not cut the dragon fruit open while we're waiting for this to cook. I don't know if there's anything special about this. I've seen a lot of people eat this. I don't know if you gotta peel it or what you do. I know Mother doesn't peel anything. She eats oranges, skin and all. This looks interesting. Ooh, we're breaking my dragon fruit virginity here. Let's see. I was expecting it to be sweeter. It's good though. I don't even know what to say that tastes like. I was expecting something, you know, fruitier. Okay. It's got a little bit of a sting like a kiwi, but it doesn't have the taste of a kiwi. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, it looks like we're almost done. The chicken's looking cooked. Everything is getting smushy. So next up is a taste test time. Okay, time for some tasting here. Ooh, well, we got, there's that pepper. Take a piece of that. Piece of chicken. Very large pieces of chicken here. Where's some of that garlic? I'm not going out on a date anytime soon, so we can have a big chunk of garlic. All right, let's see. Yep, it tastes good. Okay. The pepper's hot. Oh yeah. Ooh, yep. That was a hot pepper. Tongue is on fire. I don't know what it was called, but yep. That was my first experience with a hot pepper. But the chicken and everything, with the turmeric sauce as a seasoning, pretty good actually. Can't complain. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.